Lines and angles. In this video, you will be able to learn about the following topics. First, we will recall our previous knowledge on geometry basics, that is point, line segment, line, ray, and angle. Related angles. Complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, and linear pair. Line pair, intersecting line, parallel line, transversal. Angles made by a transversal. Corresponding angles, alternate angles, pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal. Geometry. It is a branch of mathematics that deals with various shapes, their properties, and the measurements. Point. What is point? A point that has no length, no breadth, no height. It is dimensionless. You can see a picture of pencil. Now the point is called point, the point of the pencil. Line. It extends indefinitely in both directions. You can see the picture of the railway track. Both sides, they are indefinitely. They can extend on both sides. So this is the example of line. Line segment. It is a portion of a line. It has two ends point. You can see the picture of ruler. You can say scale. It has a definite length. It is a portion of line segment. So this is a line segment. You can take any portion from 1 to 10 or from the 0 to 24. Remember this thing, it has two end point. Now here is the comparison. You can see line which has two fixed point, line segment which has two fixed point, and the line, here are two arrows. It means in both sides they are extending. Ray. It is a part of a line that extends only in one direction. It has one end point called initial point. You can see the example. It is a torch, and here one point is fixed, that is initial point, and another here it is arrow, which denotes that it goes infinitely. This is a ray, example of an ray. Angle. It made up of two rays. Measure of orientation between two rays with a common end point, and that always measure in degree. See the example of angle. Here is a picture of angle. Two rays. Complementary angles. What is complementary angles? Two angles whose sum is 90. Here one is 30 degree, other angle is 60. So 60 plus 30, you got 90 degree. Supplementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 180 degree. Now you can see the picture. Here one angle is 130, another is 50. When you add them, you will get 180. That is supplementary angles. Adjacent. What do you mean by adjacent? It means next to something. Adjacent angles. Angles having a common vertex and a common arm but no common interior points. The picture. Here picture of adjacent angle. Here is adjacent angle, angle 1, angle 2. Angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2, or you can say angle 2 is adjacent to angle 1. Linear pair. Pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. You can see opposite rays, and here angle 1 and 2 are the adjacent angles and the rays are opposite. Intersecting lines. Two lines P and Q intersect if they have a common point. This common point O, you can see, that is a point of intersection. You can see the picture. Here P and Q are two lines and O is called the point of intersection. Transversal. A line that intersects two or more lines at a distinct points. Here is a picture of transversal. Parallel lines. They are lines on a plane that do not meet anywhere. This is the picture of parallel lines. Vertically opposite angles. Opposite angles formed by two intersecting lines. Now vertically opposite angles are always equal. This is the example. Now here 35 degree is equal to 35 degree. You can see the color also. Now 145 degree, that is of pink color, and yellow color 145 degree. It means both yellow and pink color are equal because both have 145 degree. So this is the example of vertically opposite angle. Similarly 35 degree is equal to 35 degree. Corresponding angles. When two lines are crossed by another line, which is called the transversal, the angles in matching corners are called corresponding angles. Now, corresponding angles are also formed on the shape F. You can see F alphabet. Now here in picture you can see angle 1 is equal to angle 2. They are on the same side of the transversal and on the corner of matching corner. Alternate angle. You can see picture of alternate interior angle. Here you can see the red color x. Here it is written x. It means that x are equal. Both angles are equal. You can see these are in shape of Z alphabet. Now y is equal to y. This is equal to alternate angle. They are alternate interior angle exterior. Similarly, x is equal to x and y is equal to y. They are alternate exterior angles. Pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal. Here you can see here are two lines and one transversal. An angle made on same side of transversal are of green color. That green color are the angles made on same side of transversal. So it is not necessary that they are equal. So that is why one is bigger and another is smaller. Thank you for watching.